Welcome to Auto World Cars, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, latest updates, and expert insights on all things automotive. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we are diving into the details of the 2025 Mahindra 575D tractor, a powerful and reliable machine built for the toughest farming needs. Let's get started. Mahindra is a name synonymous with durability and performance in the agricultural sector, and the 575D continues this legacy in 2025. This tractor is designed to offer a perfect balance of power, efficiency, and affordability, making it a top choice for farmers. Under the hood, the 2025 Mahindra 575D is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2,730 cubic centimeters engine that delivers 45 horsepower. This engine is built to handle heavy-duty tasks with ease while maintaining fuel efficiency. With a powerful PTO Power takeoff of around 39 HP, it ensures smooth operation of various farming implements such as rotavators, plows, and threshers. One of the key highlights of this tractor is its advanced transmission system. It comes with an 8 forward and 2 reverse gear system, ensuring flexibility in different working conditions. The multi-disc oil-immersed brakes provide excellent stopping power, ensuring safety and control, even on challenging terrains. The steering is available in both mechanical and power steering options, allowing farmers to choose based on their comfort and workload. When it comes to the hydraulics, the Mahindra 575D offers a lifting capacity of up to 1,600 kilograms, making it suitable for handling heavy agricultural loads. The tractor also features advanced hydraulics with position and draft control, ensuring efficient soil management. Now, let's talk about the design and comfort. The 2025 model maintains the classic Mahindra look but with slight enhancements for better aesthetics. It features a well-cushioned seat, user-friendly controls, and an ergonomic design to reduce operator fatigue during long working hours. The fuel tank capacity of approximately 47 liters ensures long operational hours without frequent refueling. Mahindra has also incorporated some modern features in this tractor, such as better air filtration for the engine, an improved cooling system, and an optional digital instrument cluster in some variants. These upgrades enhance the overall durability and ease of use. Now, coming to the most important aspect, the price. The 2025 Mahindra 575D is expected to be priced between 7 lakh rupees to 7.50 lakh rupees in India, making it a cost-effective yet powerful solution for farmers. However, prices may vary based on location and additional features. So, is the Mahindra 575D the right tractor for you? If you are looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and high-performing machine for your farming needs, this tractor is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.